it's April from April's Home, and today I'm here with a small IKEA haul. This past week we were at IKEA with my son and his wife. We were picking out some dressers and also taking a look at their bedroom furniture that we're trying to decide on. And while we were there, I thought I would pick up a few items for the home, a few of my favorite type of IKEA items. This item here is a repeat purchase. You might remember from my last IKEA haul that I also bought this basket. I bought this basket to hold my dog's toys. It's worked out wonderfully for that, and I definitely wanted another one. The nice thing about this basket is it pops up like this. It looks really, really pretty, and you can also fold it down like so and use it more like this if you also want. So it's really versatile, and I definitely thought it would be a nice thing to have a second one of. And then I got two more of the lambskins here in this sort of taupey color, and then another one in the chocolate brown. I have some chairs that I'd like to put those on in my bedroom. And then we got a few fun odds and ends. My husband definitely loves to get Swedish fish whenever he is at IKEA. He loves these. And my daughter-in-law suggested that I pick up one of these. She's been using these, and she got a couple more while she was there as well for her dishes, and she says they work really well. So I thought I would get one in this pretty green color. My husband picked up this. He thought he would try out this. It's a knife sharpener. So he thought that he would sharpen up some of our kitchen knives and see how this little item worked. And then I spotted these beautiful round little wooden trays here in one of the displays, and I knew I definitely wanted to pick up a couple of these for tablescapes or serving food and things like that. I just thought that they were so pretty. Picked out this one here. They have all different pretty wood grain patterns. So that one there, and then this one here. So both slightly different. This one's a little bit darker than this one, but I really loved them both. I picked up this cute little candle holder that I just really loved. I love that sort of geometric metal there. Kind of looks a little bit nautical. I just really like that one. So I picked that up. I picked up this here. It looks like a little cutting board, just like this. This was only, I think, $3.99. I'm actually going to use this for a project. I've been looking for little tiny cutting boards like this with a handle for a project that I have in mind. So this is a project that I'm really hoping to do, and I'm hoping to share about sort of a history project, and something I hope to share with my Sunday school class. Sort of just a fun little history themed project there. So I'll be looking forward to sharing that with you. Also, just as a cutting board, it's actually really, really cute, and I was happy to find them for so inexpensive. This here is a new type of little blanket, sort of like one of those blanket scarf type blankets. It's a really sturdy material. I loved that it was this gray and sort of mustardy yellow color, two of my favorite colors lately. So I picked that one up. They also had it in a really pretty blue color, but I decided to just get it in this one for now. It's really pretty though. And then last but definitely not least, I spotted some turquoise blue glass. I am incredibly fond of turquoise blue glass. I actually collect the vintage turquoise glass, and I thought that these matched really nicely. I always bring out my turquoise glass for the summer months, and this one is just so beautiful. So I actually got 8 of these glasses here so that I could serve iced tea in them, or different summer beverages in those. And then they also had these really cute little glass pitchers that I thought was the perfect size to mix up some fresh iced tea. I actually picked up 2 of these and then 8 cups so that I could make 2 different flavors of iced tea to serve at barbecues and have that sitting out looking really nice, hopefully matching at least kind of close to my turquoise blue glass. I think my turquoise blue vintage glass is a little bit more blue. This is a little bit more teal, but it's absolutely beautiful, and I definitely couldn't pass it up. These cups were only 99 cents a piece. I believe this pitcher was $4 or $5. So I just thought that that was a really pretty, inexpensive update for summer, and I just really, really could not resist this beautiful blue, turquoisey, tealy blue color of glass. So those are the few items that I picked up at IKEA. It was definitely fun looking through some of their new items. Definitely fun kind of trying to decide on what bedroom furniture we might want to update to. If we still have not decided, it's kind of a hard decision. Me and my husband like to take our time with that so that when we pick one out, it will last for a while and we'll be happy with that. But it was fun going through, seeing their new items and picking out a few fun new things for the house. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this small IKEA haul. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more videos from April's Home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.